Wait. This is sick. What?
How much time do I have on my phone?
So basically, I was on vacation for the new update, so I missed everything.
What is this place?
This is sick.
Bro, what game have I been teleported into? This is not real. How did you get there?
For real, this city sucks. I mean, I would say so. It's just not.
No. I just want to see an update.
There are just so many glitches. Like, look at this. This floats now. This floats.
Oh wait, they got it.
Oh my god, they have
This looks so weird. What?
Keep your hand
So
holding.
that's gonna be. I don't know if it's gonna be permanent. Actually, that's not essential. That is useless. Nobody wants that. Me.
Instead of a city ring.
Yeah, this is definitely essential. It's Bob approved. Gorilla Plus approved. Masks and makeup. Ooh. Why am I looking at this? I just category. Ooh, that's different. Spirit wear. This is cool and all, but how that spirit wear? It's like the only thing that doesn't represent gorilla tag. Why? Oh, monkeys. Yes. Oh, too bad.
Do it with the other hand. Black, do it with the other hand.
Yo, this is sick. Sorry, kids, but your monkey on the shelf is ruined. Actually, is it? Oh, no, that's gonna be easy. I'm gonna place a monkey on the shelf by myself. Cause look at this. Supposed to be like Buddha, so I can't show it. It's supposed to be like, it's now gonna be like this. Oh, wait, no. It's gonna be like this.
So, can you open the door, please?
Someone, open the door. My cosmetics haven't loaded in yet. They haven't loaded. No! I just yeeted myself.
Too easy.
How do I?
Yeah, can someone?
This is a work of art.
No!
It's amazing.
Open the door. Bro, green.
Can't wait for the flashbacks next year. Everyone is gonna be all like,
Dude,
oh my
what
god.
the hell? They changed the whole entire
Oh wait, there's
city?
an arcade.
What the
Where's he turning?
fuck?
Surprised that didn't change him, alright? How dare
How do I
you
get past here, bro? Can
be
you
as
help
an
me?
editor?
Where's he turning?
Oh
need
my
some
god,
help.
oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy, what?
Play.
Touchdown,
your game reported. Touchdown, your game reported.
You are. I have.
Exactly.
Can you win anything?
This is
Come
actually
here,
so cool.
come here, no, you come here.
Dude, watch out, dude, watch out, bro. We got the same color. Stop. Yeah, we got the same color.
How much do we need?
What's going on?
Come on.
What are we doing?
I know
This is
how.
the new map.
I was trying to like get many. I'm trying to act like a 4-year-old.
Like, no way.
So do you want me to teach you how to play?
Oh yeah. Yeah, but like, if you want to like get somebody to actually try,
Oh, I missed that one.
first
Oh, wait,
take off your
dog
badge
is
and
bad?
change your name to girl, like in some random.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know how to spell.
Okay.
Wait. Does anybody here want to do a Gorilla Tag movie with me?
Yo.
Do y'all want to do a Gorilla Tag movie that involves the arcade? You can stay here in the arcade as long as you want. But I am a real YouTuber. I can tell you.
But where you at? I want to see some juice.
Here, I'll do this side. Wait, I want
Oh,
to.
this is cool.
Or you can do a movie.
Yeah, this is
I want to do a movie. Oh yeah, come with me. If you want to do a movie
And no.
Come on, bro.
There's
If you want to do a
Whack-a-mole.
movie, join code Nezuko. That's the monkey, and that's the monkey from one of the.
There's Whack-a-mole.
But we
Wait,
won't-
angles
but we
you've
won't
never
Rocket
achieved
Theory?
without
Rocket Theory,
mods.
question mark?
Oh my god, this looks sick.
Well, what are they doing?
It's more than just a map.
Wait, how do you
It's
spell it?
getting
How do
to
you
see
spell
the rocket from a different angle.
Oh, look.
Life-changing accomplishments.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, some bad players aren't able to get there. Good to know. Piercings? Okay. So, didn't really change it that much.
If you go in there, it disappears.
They changed that a lot. Oh, I did look up.
Buy something?
There's so minimum for a new update. Wait, is that new? Is this new? I don't know if that used to be there. Yeah, I'm scared for the future. This is what we're gonna be stuck with. I guess this is where we get the update stuff there. Okay, 100. Let's see what I can afford.
Thank God.
I haven't seen the new Gorilla Tag update, Mom.
Yeah, but it's not my fault.
It's so cool, Mom. There's like an arcade, and I know you care so much. So that's why I'm telling you. Shut up, editor of me. That's me.
Dad, he just put his mic on mine.
Is this me?
Oh yeah, I got this in the bag.
Oh, wait.
I got this in the
Party. Wait, how do you get that? Oh.
No, everybody.
I want to know.
He's farming for me.
I'm not spending my money on this. I'm gonna go into my own room, and then I'm gonna make a super party.
Overstock update, Brown?
The new badge that just
I'm gonna go into.
Were you on the launch day update, Brown?
What?
You were on the launch day update where there was holiday overstock in the flashback.
What do you mean?
Don't. Your suit is from the holiday update when they added the launch day stuff.
No, it's not.
I'll also have ramen. Okay. So. I'm going into a solo lobby called.
Screw you, no one likes you.
Okay. So. We're gonna make Party Fit. Sorry. Party Fit. Yeah, get hype. Oh my god, why do I keep turning? So first thing that we're gonna need for Party Fit is to completely empty all our slots. Whoa. Before I do my Party Fit, I gotta check out this. It's like mini hands on my hands. I hate it. Oh wait, I still have those. Let's go! Okay, so now, party time. First thing that we're gonna need for the party is this. Then this. I'm just choosing some things that we might want to use. Wait, I'm gonna check these names. It's exactly what I guessed. Wow. I deserve infinite shiny rocks. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get pants. That seems like it would be. If there are pants other than that. Pants that would look good. Oh, no. I'm just gonna take off my cosmetics. So yeah. Restock? Yeah. Yeah, new canine dance music. Parties in mirror. Okay, so let's check out everything, and I shall return in 13 years. Ooh, epic transition. Try on our fit. This is what it does? Actually. Maybe. But these two? I don't know though. This is a yes. Could this work? Actually, maybe. I'm gonna change my color code. To what? I have an idea. So by using my epic math, I found out exactly how to get a pink color code. I'm getting this. There's nothing to change my mind. I am getting the thing that goes... I'm totally not addicted to it, but this is how we party. Now, we gotta change my name. Wait, I forgot to read this. Oh, wait, before I check out the epic new fit, we gotta go to the beach. So, let's go. Oh wait, paintball's back. Where and who is not? Who's playing at the beach? Flushy GT time. Wait, no. No, Flushy doesn't even take that route. Where is he? Where could he be? Where is he? Okay. Okay. Where is he? That's what I want to know. I am not leaving this map until I know where and who he is. You know what? I'm leaving this map without knowing where and who he is. Okay, I'm back with the name Party Pal. Yeah, so I'm gonna send my friends some postcards of me like this and say, join the party. I'm also gonna send some on a community post saying, come to the party. Then I'm gonna make up a fan code and announce it. So, be there. Well, yeah, I'm done now. So, subscribe,